place. So the last couple of weeks we've been working on sprouting our own potatoes. So what we did was we took a potato and we cut it up. And right now you can see that this is actually starting to sprout. So when it starts to sprout, you want to bring it over to this bucket here and drop some more soil on top of it. The deeper the potato, the more you're gonna get. So right there, some good soil on it, and it's gonna re-sprout back up through the soil and give you some good potatoes. So what I'm gonna do now is making sure that my bottom of my pot has holes in it, and I'm going to plant Miss Levinus a crop of potatoes for her to take care of for the next couple of weeks, and we'll have to check back on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some soil. I'm going to add the potatoes. They don't have to be sprouting just yet, but I'm gonna add the potatoes down in there and then add some more soil right on top. And there you go. Once they start to sprout, that means that our potato is starting to form underneath. Enjoy, get into nature.